Hi, in this video I will show you how to change Wi-Fi password on the Totolink router using Totolink app on your smartphone. When you open the app and you are on the main page, just tap on the wireless icon and there you can set password for the 2.4 GHz network, and there you can set password for the 5 GHz network. Tap apply to confirm all the changes and your Wi-Fi network will be secured with a new password. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.